All right, now the final part of this, the final question was asked, I'll just raise this up just a little bit so we can see. It says, find the range of values for the y-intercept of the straight line for which there will be no points of intersection with either of the parabolas. So we've already found this point here, which is going to be negative 25 on 16, for which there is a point. We've also found this point here, which is negative 23 on 8, for which there is a point of intersection. So if this point here was going to be less than negative 25 over 16, or this point here was going to be greater than negative 23 on 8, we would have a range of values between here and here for which there were no points of intersection. So what we need to state is that there will be no points of intersection for the straight line and either of the two parabolas, when the value of the y-intercept of the straight line conforms to colon, and we want to say what that would be. So we've got the minimum one we've got is negative 23 on 8, negative 23 on 8, and the maximum one we've got is negative negative 25 on 16. Negative 25 on 16. So that means that K is going to have to fall between these 2 points. This one being the minimum one. So K is actually going to have to be greater than that one, but also less than this one. And so we can say there will be no points of intersection for the straight line and either of the two parabolas when the value of the y-intercept of the straight line, assuming that the gradient remains the same, conforms to K being greater than negative 23 and less than negative 25. So negative 23 on 8 and K is greater than negative 23 on 8, but less than negative 25 on 16. And that's how I would express that.